Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you a simple home remedy to protect yourself from cold, cough and throat infection. So you can even have it regularly and it will boost your immunity. So for this you need ginger. I am going to remove the skin and scrape it and grate it. 2 teaspoons of palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can even use normal sugar. And I'm going to use half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a glass of milk, half a cup of water, and a pinch of pepper powder. So let's start the preparation now. I'm going to boil the water, half a cup of water. Let it come to a boil. Water is now boiling. I have grated the ginger. I am going to add the grated ginger to this. Palm sugar. Palm sugar, why I am using is, it is a body coolant. So ginger creates little bit heat. So to counteract that heat, palm sugar is very helpful. If you don't have palm sugar, no issues. Milk will do the work. I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, let it come to a boil, add a pinch of pepper powder, that's it. Boil it for 5 minutes and then we are going to switch off the stove and strain it in a strainer. Now I am going to strain it. I am boiling the half a cup milk now. Let it come to a boil. Now the milk has come to a boil. Switch off the stove. Now mix the milk along with the extract which we have taken. And that's it. So now the ginger milk is ready. Prepare this ginger milk and have it daily, so that your immunity gets boosted and you get rid of throat infection, cold and cough. Prepare it and give your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you up with another video. Until then, bye bye. Subscribe my channel.